Hello everyone, my financial folks. Welcome back to Rookie Financier, where you'll learn the keys to mastering your finances and living the life you deserve. We'll be your guide in the world of financial success, and today, we're going to explore a topic that can transform your relationship with money. How to create an effective budget and fix it. Don't miss any details of this video. If you're new here, I urge you to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our high-impact tips for your financial independence. Part 1. Understanding the importance of budgeting. Can you imagine having a detailed map to your financial dreams? That's precisely what an effective budget provides. It's not just a sheet of numbers, it's your strategy to win the financial battle. It's the path to economic freedom and empowerment. Part 2. Step by step to create an effective budget. Step 1. Know your income. This is the moment when your income becomes your ally. Meticulously record every source of income. The clearer your financial picture, the more power you have to make smart decisions. Step 2. List your expenses. It's time to face your expenses. Divide your expenses into necessary and discretionary. This is the moment of truth where you'll discover where your money truly goes. Without this insight, making real improvements is challenging. Step 3. Set financial priorities. Visualize your financial dreams. Buy your first home. Do you want to travel the world? Set goals and prioritize them. Your budget is your tool to turn your desires from paper into financial reality. Step 4. Allocate budget to each category. This is where the magic happens. Distribute your income among different categories, with your goals as guiding beacons. Every dollar has a purpose. Every cent gets you closer to financial independence. Step 5. Make adjustments as needed. The world isn't static, and your budget shouldn't be either. Be flexible. Adjust as circumstances change, but never stray from your financial goals. Obstacles are just opportunities to course correct. Part 3. Tools and additional tips. To track and maintain your budget, leverage modern tools. Spreadsheets, budgeting apps, choose what makes you feel in control. Part 4. Benefits of an effective budget. A budget isn't just about numbers. It's freedom. It's confidence in your decisions. It's the path to the prosperity you deserve. Imagine having complete control over your financial life and making decisions with your head held high. Conclusion. And with that, you've taken a step toward financial mastery. If this video enlightened you, be sure to applaud and share it with friends and family. Together, we can unlock the potential of every wallet and change lives. Subscribe so you won't miss any financial gems coming in the upcoming videos. We are Rookie Financier. Until next time, financial champions.